Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to begin your journey with the Mahou Tsukai mod. First, ensure you have Minecraft Forge installed to run the mod smoothly. Next, craft your essential guide, the Knowledge Compendium, using 1 leather, 3 paper, and 5 red dye. You will also need to craft a dagger, which requires 2 iron, 2 gold, 2 purple dye, and 1 stick. This dagger is crucial for your first magical step. Right-click to injure yourself, then quickly press your designated hotkey, usually M, to draw a blood circle on the ground. Now that you have your first blood circle, let's create some basic spells and understand mana. Craft a mortar and pestle using 3 diamonds, 2 sticks, and 2 bricks. This tool is vital for grinding gems into powdered catalysts. These powders are your spell ingredients. To make a scroll, place a blood circle, add 3 powdered catalysts, and then right-click to finalize it. Remember, your maximum mana increases by 1 point for every 100 mana you spend, so keep casting spells. Managing your mana efficiently is key to becoming a powerful magic user. A great early-game method for mana regeneration is the Durability Exchange Circle. Craft this by placing 2 emerald powder and 1 diamond powder on a blood circle atop a chest. Fill the chest with tools, and their durability will convert into mana. For storage, craft an attuner with 4 gold and 4 lapis lazuli. Combine it with an emerald or diamond to create an attuned gem, capable of holding 5,000 or 10,000 mana, respectively. As you progress, you'll unlock a vast array of powerful spells across different disciplines, including boundary, displacement, and projection magic. Don't forget to utilize the Mystic Eyes of Far Sight scroll. It reveals hidden ley lines in your world. These lines are not just decorative, they can significantly boost your mana regeneration and even grant you increased movement speed. Keep experimenting with rituals and catalysts to uncover legendary weapons, like the mighty Caliburn, and truly master the art of Mahou Tsukai.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.